Welcome to my technical analysis journey. So today we are going to discuss about Cipla stock. So we'll use the technical charts to find out if there are any trading opportunities or not. So first we'll go to the weekly chart, then afterwards we can have a look to a daily chart to get our entry. What we can see here is that Cipla is an uptrend and it's making a higher high and a higher low formation. And by EW, if you see that it's making a wave 4 and it will be starting its wave 5 anywhere soon. The stock is going under the small channel right now. Once it breaks over the channel, it will start its wave 5 soon. So to see that, we can go to the daily chart. If you guys can see, there are two major supports in this chart. So first, there's support near 1139, where it's trading right now. And the next support, what we can see is near 1270 to 1280 level. And so for channel breakout, we can see that RS we can use RSI, and we can see when it closes above the channel. So what we can see through RSI is that price is making a higher low formation, and RSI has made a higher high formation. So it's a clear hidden bullish. Once it breaks the channel above, then accordingly we can see that RSI has also broken from the above resistance line what it is getting. And once the price closes above the channel, then we can wait for the retest level to get the entry.